Yo guys, what is going on? It's your boy comes you with a brand new video. Today's video we're going to talk about Emmanuel Quickly and why he's not starting yet. So let's get into it. Emmanuel Quickly is one of those rookies that's always in that draft. Some player that you don't expect too much out of. You know, he's a good shooter and everything, and he's going to come in, get you buckets. But then there's some of those players that are like, you know, late first, early second round picks that just come out and blossom and like are really good players. For example, Mitchell Robinson was a second round pick in the 2017 draft, I believe, right? 2016, 2017, I would think so. And he just came out and he showed out. Now he's our starting center and he's one of the best defensive players in the league. So Emmanuel Quickly is showing out to be one of the best rookies so far. Our 8th overall pick, Obi Toppin, hasn't looked good, but I'm not going to. I'm still on his train. Don't worry about it. I still believe in Obi Toppin and I will always believe in him. Until his rookie contract is not up, I still believe in the guy. I want to see him succeed. He's my rookie. I'm going to continue and support him. I still support Frank Ntilikina and Kevin Knox, so that shows you my loyalty. But let's get into it. So today we're talking about Emmanuel Quickly. Now let me pull up some stats for you guys. So Emmanuel Quickly, if you look at his per 36 minutes, Emmanuel Quickly ranks as a #1 rookie in points. If he were to play 36 minutes, he's averaging 22.3 points a game. Right now, he's playing 18 minutes. In 18 minutes, he's putting up 11 points, about 3 assists a game, about a rebound and a half a game on, you know, decent efficiency. He's shooting 40% from the field, 37% from the three-point line, and 94% from the free throw line, which is crazy to think about. Now, if you look at his per 36 minutes in assists, he ranks 3rd. Emmanuel Quickly would have 5.2 assists per game if he played 36 minutes. And he's still a rookie. He still doesn't know, like, you know, the court. You know, some players come out right away and they're good at passing the ball, getting wide open assists. Look at a player like RJ. Going into his rookie season, he wasn't the best playmaker. But this season, we've seen him put up like 7, 8 assists. And he's looking like one of the best playmakers on the team. Now, obviously, this is a very bad team. Or it's a decent enough team that we're not the worst team, but we're not the best team either. We're like I want to say like we're heading towards like the middle of the pack, where, you know, slowly climbing our way back to, you know, a competent team, if you want to say so. Right now, at this moment in time, Emmanuel Quick plays the 20th most minutes in the NBA. He plays the 20th most minutes. He's averaging less than 18 minutes a game in 14 games that he has played so far. He had an injury where it took him out a couple of games and he didn't get to play. In 14 games, he's playing a little bit less than 18 minutes and he's putting up 11 points a game, which would put him at the 5th highest rookie scoring average. And the next game, if he plays, he can go up to the 2nd, only behind Anthony Edwards, which is crazy to think about because all the players that are in the top 4 are playing at least 22 minutes a game. Some are playing 26, some are playing 32, like Isaac Curl. He's not one of the top rookies, but he's playing 36 minutes. He's the 5th. He was like the 5th pick, I believe, right? Tyrese Halliburton was a 12th pick, and he's going crazy. We all know that. He's playing 28 minutes. Patrick Williams playing 26. LaMelo Ball 25. Anthony Edwards 25. So they're all playing a decent minutes more than Emmanuel Quickly. But Emmanuel Quickly's production and his 3-point ability is what is, you know, is bringing awareness to him. People are starting to look at Emmanuel Quickly and they're like, oh, New York might have something. So if we look at the stats, we look at player efficiency rating. So a player efficiency rating is the overall rating of a player's per minute statistical production. The league average is 15 every season. Emmanuel Quickly's player efficiency rating is at an 18. That ranks 3rd. I really wouldn't count 1st and 2nd all too much because they only played 8 games and they played 9 games respectfully. Emmanuel Quickly is the only one that has 18 and it has played 14 games. Right under him is Tyrese Halliburton with 17.7 and LaMelo Ball 16.6. You know, so he's actually outperforming the top rookies. And mind you, Emmanuel Quickly was drafted at the 25 overall pick. So now let's talk about why Emmanuel Quickly isn't starting and why is Alfred Payton still the starting point guard for the New York Knicks. I don't want to say it's political, but in a sense it might be political. Tom Thibodeau came out today and he was asked the question, why is Emmanuel Quickly not starting, and, you know, how are you bringing him along? Tom Thibodeau says that he liked Emmanuel Quickly with the 2nd unit and the production that they bring outperforms, you know, sometimes the production in the starting lineup, and he doesn't want to mess around with too much and ruin Emmanuel Quickly's confidence. You know, Emmanuel Quickly has only played 14 games in this NBA season so far, and he's a rookie, so they're gonna have a lot of up and down games, and he doesn't want to, you know, put him in the starting lineup, push him out early, not ready. He wants to, you know, slowly bring up Emmanuel Quickly's confidence so he can be one of the better players going into the end of the season and future on in his career. I kind of understand and I agree with that, but I don't want to at the same time, because every one of us Knicks fans hate Alfred Payton, and we want to see Emmanuel Quickly start because he provides the shooting, the spark that we need on the starting line. But yeah, guys, this is about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys want to see Emmanuel Quickly start. I personally do. Let me know if you guys think we're gonna win tomorrow's game against Utah Jazz, who are on an 8-0 winning streak right now, which is crazy to think about.